everybody. We're back in the backyard here in the garden. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be refurbishing this bed here. I've got a couple of radish that I've got to pull out. I'm going to be disconnecting my water service line for this bed and taking it out temporarily. I've got some Scotch humus and manure that we're going to be topping off this bed with. We might not get it all done today, but we're going to at least get it started so we can have this ready to get a fall crop in. So yeah, let's get started doing this. guys, I got this stuff at a friend of mine that works for a local store, and they had a bunch of pallets they were getting rid of, the compost and manure and all the soil and stuff, and I got a pretty good deal on it, so $40 a pallet, I could not pass that up. And if you're wondering what it is, it's actually Scotch humus and manure. And no, I'm not affiliated with the company whatsoever. We've used this soil on some other applications, and it did extremely well for some of our plants. So we did test it out first before we decided to start using it on our vegetable garden too as well. Guys, if you're wondering, this is a lot to cover. This is a 8 foot by 4 foot by 3 foot raised bed, which contains a lot of soil. I don't remember the exact amount. I want to say it was 238 gallons, I think, of all this topsoil and whatever you can put in that sucker. Got one hiding underneath here. This one's good.
The little ones too?
We got a couple more beds we need to fill up, but we got plenty of bags left. So that was about 13 out of 85 bags that we have. So we got plenty. We're also gonna be building an herb garden. We'll do a video on that here pretty soon, right by the back of the house, so we can plant herbs and plant lettuce in there as well, so we can keep it a little bit cooler. But guys, if you have any questions about what we're doing here, what we use, this bed has been a while. I can go back and try to find where it came from. I think my wife purchased it somewhere at a flea market or something. But yeah, that's about it for today, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.
Sure do.